Dictation. Ship, shop, fish, dish, lock, duck, clock, chick, bench, brush, shell, sheep, chalk, thick, check, truck, black, rock, catch, stick.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.